Hi, good evening from Guam. Half a day. Are you a man, woman, transgender, a human being with a long hair that is wanting to know whether or not no heat overnight curls are effective? Well, keep watching this video for you to find out. And I am so sorry if you're bald. Hi everyone, it's your girlfriend Jen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jennilyn. Glad to have you here. Thank you for clicking. Tonight, as someone who is wanting to bid goodbye to the harmful curling irons, I am excited to test this no heat curls method. How am I gonna do that? I am gonna watch one of the tutorials on YouTube and use a scarf. Twist my hair around the scarf, leave it overnight, wake up tomorrow morning and see if it worked. So let's get started. Basically, the tutorial on this that I'm gonna follow is by Beauty K Love. So before I start, I just damped my hair a bit. So she said to put the scarf here above your head, separate your hair into two sections, like you're about to make a pigtail, right? I wanna see if it's even. Is it even? I look so weird right now. Yep, this is why I'm not a beauty channel. But it's okay, I am a channel of all niches. She said to separate one section, so I'm just gonna tie this just so it's not touched while I'm working on one section. No, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that.
All you need to do is take a section of hair and then you wrap that around the scarf, go under, and then take another section of hair, join that.
Oh, I need to slow down. I need you to slow down there, K Beauty Love. Okay, so she said to grab a section of hair, swing it under the scarf, grab another section of hair. Let's grab bigger sections just so I have loose, bigger curls. Yeah, let's do that. My hair is thick.
Onto the hair right here, and then create another twist. It's just basically kind of like doing a French twist.
Yeah. It's like French braiding.
Twist on the hair. It's exactly just like that.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm doing it right. Hopefully I'm doing this right. If you're a beauty guru, a hairdresser, beauty expert, comment below if I'm doing a decent job. I know it's not the most perfect job, but a decent job. I'm done.
Okay, so when I reach the bottom right here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to clip that right there just so that it won't move at all.
I don't have a clip though. Okay, maybe I'll just use this. My hair tie. Yeah, that should be good, right? Hopefully. Yeah, should be good. There is no hopefully. It is good. Oh. No, it's twisting out. Oh no. Okay. You may be at home wondering, does this girl have a life? Yes, YouTube is my life. YouTube is life. That's actually what I want to do. Okay.
Oh my god! What is that?
Well, that looks strange. We're gonna keep it anyway.
I'm going to make, or just create a little bun, just like this. Also.
5 minutes later.
Okay, it took a while. I legit had to start this side over again because somehow my hair is pretty slippery. This is so tedious, I'm not gonna lie, especially if you're not that hands-on with your hair. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep well tonight with this cinnamon bun. This is not the angle I want to put myself in. What even is this?
What are those?
Why does this side look better than the other one? I feel like Princess Jasmine, low-key. A whole new world. Am I loud? My parents are asleep. If you're still watching, thank you. I love you. May you be blessed. Always. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I really hope this looks good tomorrow. Please look good. Please. May the hair gods be with me. Oh my god. One for the thumbnail. And we're done. I look crazy. This better be worth it. This better bring an aesthetically pleasing result. This better be pleasing to the human eye. I mean, it's not that bad. I feel like Princess Jasmine, Princess Leia. May the force be with you, bitch. Okay guys, according to the tutorial, I'm supposed to leave these overnight and then let them loose when I wake up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi, Hi, good morning. It's around 6 a.m. I'm not too sure. I just woke up earlier than I usually do every day because I could not go back to sleep in these. This is the most uncomfortable thing to put on while you are trying to sleep. So I'm just gonna end this experiment soon. Let me release my locks and let's see how curly they actually are. I'm so sorry for the background noise. If you hear that, that's my washing machine. Okay, let's see how this looks. Ooh. Okay. Wow. They look just as good as when you use a curling iron or those plastic curling rolls. They're just as good. Okay, I'm impressed. I didn't expect to get this good of a result. I love it. So here are the advantages of using this method if you're considering it. An advantage is 1, no heat. You are aware how harmful heat from a curling iron is to your hair. 2, it's sort of easy to follow, even if you're not that experienced or hands-on with your own hair. Like, you'll eventually catch on. You can use socks apparently and other methods if you Google it. 3, look at this result. It looks good. I'm proud and happy with the way it turned out. Some of the cons, there are cons. Uncomfortable AF to wear while you're sleeping. So although you can do this overnight, if you're not willing to sleep with this, you can leave it on for about 6 hours throughout the day if you're off. If you're not at work and in public, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't want to be looking like that. Well guys, there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you would like me to do any of these beauty experiments again, please leave your suggestions there in the comments below. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye bye!